Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel SuperGrok subscription on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Grok and sign into your account. Then from there you want to click onto your account. Now we need to scroll down and look for SuperGrok subscription. So as you can see, mine is currently active. So I'm going to click onto that to manage your subscription. Then from there we want to go in and click on manage your billing. Now it says here, manage your subscription. This is currently active. We want to go ahead and cancel SuperGrok and then click on continue to cancel. And then they might try and get you back on board, but lose offer and click cancel again. Now we need to manage this in Google Play. So go ahead and open up Google Play. Then we'd see current subscriptions. Now, because I'm in the wrong account here, I need to sign into the correct one. All right, here it is here. So Grok AI. So I want to go ahead and click into that. And then I want to go ahead and click on cancel subscription. And then I want to confirm. You can select a reason, but I'm just going to confirm the cancellation. Then it says here subscription will be cancelled, but I can keep using it until the 21st of April 2026. I've made this video on the 18th, so I've got a few more days to use the subscription.